Good morning. This is a tutorial on how to duplicate a form in Microsoft Forms. You can duplicate a form that you have already made or a new one that you would like to share with your colleagues. When you have finished creating your form or choosing the form from your list, then press the Share button. Here it will show you three options. One is to send and collect responses. With this option, you can submit the form to any of your colleagues and they will complete it and then send it back to you. You will receive the responses in this Responses tab. In this, there are three options. It is best to use Anyone can respond option so that there will be no issues to who you give this form to. Next is the Share as Template option. This option will allow you to duplicate your form using a copy link. Once you copy it and put it in a new tab, you can use it yourself or give it to another person. It will give you this page and the option to duplicate the form. Once you press the duplicate button, your form will have successfully been duplicated and will be in your form tab. The third option is Share to Collaborate. In this option, you can give a link to your form so that other people can edit it and collaborate on making this form with you. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.